Which vacuum casting material is closest to ABS? During product development, engineers face a common dilemma. They need ABS-like performance for prototypes, but steel tooling is too expensive and slow. Using inferior prototype materials leads to inaccurate functional testing and flawed market feedback that can send a project in the wrong direction. The closest ABS replacement material is engineering-grade polyurethane casting resin, which accurately simulates the impact resistance, stiffness, and exact cosmetic finish of real ABS flow volume vacuum casting. The engineering need for an ABS replacement material. Prototyping small batches 50-100 units in production. ABS often forces a tough choice: expensive CNC machining or premature injection molding tooling. Urethane vacuum casting solves this. By using advanced resin materials, engineers can rigorously test and validate designs with production-grade ABS performance at a fraction of the cost and lead time. Understanding ABS-like polyurethane casting resins. Unlike fragile 3D printing resins, ABS-like polyurethane casting resins replicate true thermoplastic performance, delivering high impact resistance, structural stiffness, dimensional stability, and excellent post-mechanizability. Processed in a vacuum to eliminate air bubbles and internal voids, these isotropic pots withstand drop testing, load evaluations, and tight tolerance multi-pot assembly just like injection molded ABS. Technical specifications of ABS-like resin for vacuum casting. Choosing the correct manufacturing process and material pairing requires evaluating target quantities, expected tooling investments, and the required fidelity of the functional prototype material. ABS-like resin for vacuum casting provides the optimal balance of cost, lead time, and material performance, making it the superior choice for volume production batches ranging from 10 to 100 pots. To understand where ABS-like vacuum casting fits into the product development lifecycle, it is essential to compare it directly against CNC machining and rapid injection molding. Beyond standard ABS, advanced PU resins can simulate a wide range of engineering plastics. PC, high thermal resistance. P, flexibility and living hinges. Elastomers, overmolding and soft touch grips. Achieving production-like finishes with silicone mold casting. Versatile post-processing. High surface energy enables seamless painting, soft touch coatings, and high gloss finishes. Solid Pantone matching. Liquid PU resins can be pre-pigmented for vibrant, through body color consistency. Market-ready cosmetics delivers prototypes indistinguishable from mass-produced units for trade shows and demos. Engineering applications for functional prototype materials. Consumer electronics and diet. R&D teams produce 20-50 units to test PB's fitment, button feel, ergonomics, and aesthetics for beta users. Automotive and industrial. Engineers cast dashboards, trim, brackets, and equipment covers to verify mounting tolerances and impact resistance under harsh conditions. Medical devices. Vacuum cast enclosures replicate the exact weight, stiffness, and feel of production units for clinical usability trials prior to regulatory approval. Why engineering and procurement teams choose vacuum casting? Zero tooling expense. Get injection molded quality without upfront hard tooling costs. Optimal batch sizes. Rapidly produce 10-100 functional units for certification, pilot runs, and customer trials. Expert material guidance. Tailor resin chemistry to hit precise mechanical, thermal, and cosmetic targets. Need 10-100 ABS quality pots without hard tooling. Vacuum casting is your moved up with 30+ years of expertise. KAIAO Rapid Manufacturing is here to bring your designs to life. If this was helpful, like, save, and subscribe for more engineering tips. See you next time.